Hello everyone, this is Alexey. Another pack of fabs expansion is on the way, supported by the US and European Union CHIPS Acts. Industry is growing fast. Happy to have been part of it for the past 13 years. And so exciting to see it evolve like this. And now, let's check what is new in Power Semiconductors industry. Toshiba Electronic Devices and Storage Corporation has expanded the lineup of 150-volt N-channel power MOSFETs with new products that adopt the new generation process. Products in this series are suitable for the switching power supplies of communication equipment and so forth. The new products have reduced the drain source unresistance compared with the 150-volt products using the previous generation process. Microchip Technology announced plans to invest $880 million to expand its silicon carbide and silicon production capacity at its Colorado Springs manufacturing facility over the next several years. One significant phase of the expansion is to develop and upgrade its 50-acre, 580,000 square foot Colorado Springs campus for increased silicon carbide manufacturing for use in automotive e-mobility, grid infrastructure, green energy, and aerospace and defense applications. Working in conjunction with the Colorado Springs Chamber and Economic Development Corporation, the City of Colorado Springs and El Paso County also announced that Microchip was approved for state and local incentives of approximately $47 million for the expansion. Infineon Technologies is starting construction of its new plant for analog mixed signal technologies and power semiconductors. After extensive analysis, the Infineon Management Board and supervisory bodies gave a green light for the Dresden site. The German Federal Ministry for Economic Affairs and Climate Action has approved an early project launch, meaning that construction can already begin before completion of the expansion of the legal subsidy aspects by the European Commission. Subject to the European Commission's state aid decision and the national grant procedure, the project is to be funded in accordance with the objectives of the European CHIPS Act. Infineon is seeking public funding of around €1 billion. The company plans to invest a total of approximately €5 billion in the plant, which is set to begin production in 2026. This constitutes the largest single investment in company's history. Texas Instruments announced plans to build its next 300mm semiconductor wafer fabrication plant in Lehi, Utah. The new fab will be located next to the company's existing 300mm semiconductor wafer fab in Lehi. Once completed, Texas Instruments' two Lehi fabs will operate as a single fab. The landmark's $11 billion investment marks the largest economic investment in Utah history. The Lehi expansion will create approximately 800 additional Texas Instruments jobs as well as thousands of indirect jobs. Texas Instruments looks forward to strengthening its partnership with the Alpine School District and will invest $9 million to improve student opportunities and outcomes. Amkor Technology and GlobalFoundries announced that the two companies have formed a strategic partnership. This new partnership will enable a comprehensive European Union-United States supply chain from semiconductor wafer production at GlobalFoundries to outsourced semiconductor assembly and test services at Amkor's site in Porto, Portugal. GlobalFoundries plans to transfer its 300mm bump and sort lines from its Dresden site to Amkor's Porto operations to establish the first at-scale back-end facility in Europe. GlobalFoundries will maintain ownership of its transfer tools, processes, and IP in Porto. Both partners also plan to collaborate on future development efforts in Portugal. Since more than 16 years, the biennial ECPE Bandgap User Forum has explained the background and given advice and support to designing silicon carbide and gallium nitride semiconductor devices in power electronic systems. Major progress has been achieved in this period, with today a multitude of silicon carbide dies and MOSFETs, and as well gallium nitride halves being available and used in series products. For those, special aspects gain importance, such as robustness or qualification when exposed to demanding emissions profiles. On the other hand, still more basic research and development work is dedicated to special devices made by silicon carbide, gallium nitride, and other Bandgap materials, including their potential applications. These actual topics will be addressed during the upcoming 10th ECPE Bandgap User Forum. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more Power Semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or reach me on LinkedIn. Have a great day.